Good morning, children. How are you all? Today we are going to do a new poem from your textbook Honeycomb, and the name of the poem is The Rebel, written by DJ Enright. Before starting the poem, I want to ask you something. Do you have any friend who goes always opposite of what you want? For example, if you want to play outside, he will say that no, I want to play inside. If you want to eat ice cream, he will say no, I want to eat gulab jamun. If you want to play Ludo, he will say no, I will play snakes and ladders. So, what is the word which you use to describe such a person? एक ऐसे पर्सन को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए आप क्या वर्ड यूज़ करोगे जो हमेशा सबसे उल्टा ही करता है, जो आप करोगे उससे उल्टा करेगा वो. And the word is rebel. We call them rebel. So rebel is a person who always does the opposite. Now let's read the poem, and we will be reading one by one about the rebel. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has short hair, जब सबके छोटे बाल होते हैं, then everybody lets his hair grow long. तो वो अपने बालों को लंबा होने देता है. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. And when everybody has long hair, he will cut his hair very short. When everybody talks during the lesson, when a teacher is teaching and everybody is talking during the class, then the rebel doesn't say a word. He will not say a word. He will sit quietly in the classroom. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. And when everybody listens to the teacher, is listening to the teacher carefully, when everybody is paying attention in the lesson, then rebel will create disturbance. When everybody wears a uniform, when everybody comes to the school in proper uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. Then what he will wear? He will wear colorful clothes, fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, and when all other students wear fantastic clothes, colorful clothes for any function or any picnic for the school, the rebel dresses soberly. Then what the rebel will do? He will dress soberly. He will come in school in very simple clothes. In the company of dog lovers, and what the rebel will do in the company of dog lovers? That he will express his preference for cats. The rebel expresses a preference for cats. He will say good words for cats. He will say I like the cats more. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. And whenever he is in the company of cat lovers, he will say good words, good things for dogs. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for the rain. When everybody is enjoying the sun, when everybody is enjoying in the sunlight, then what the rebel will say? He will say that he likes the rain more. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of the sun. And when there is rain, जब बारिश हो रही होगी, देन ही विल रिग्रेट, तो वो अफसोस करेगा इस बात का, जो रेबल है, द एब्सेंस ऑफ सन. ओहो, सूरज क्यों नहीं आया, मुझे तो सूरज की रोशनी में बैठना था, ये बारिश क्यों आ गई. व्हेन एवरीबडी गोज टू द मीटिंग, व्हेन जब घर के सभी लोग बाहर जा रहे हैं किसी मीटिंग के लिए, फॉर एनी फंक्शन, फॉर एनी मीटिंग, एनीथिंग, द रेबल स्टेज एट होम. देन व्हाट ही विल प्रेफर टू स्टे एट home and read a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. When everybody is sitting at home, reading books, enjoying their family time together, what the rebel wants? He wants to go out of the house. When everybody says yes please, whenever someone offer you something and you want that thing, you say, what will you say? You say yes please, I want this. But when all the other children say yes please, what the rebel will say? He will say no thank you, I don't want this. And when everybody says no thank you, what the rebel will say? He will say, yes, please. I want this. So these are the conclusive lines of this poem. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. It is good for our society that we have rebels in our society, because of these rebels we came to know about the good and the bad. We know about the difference between the good and the bad. You may not find it very good to be one. Although you don't want to be a rebel yourself, you don't want yourself to be a rebel, but these rebels are good for our society, because only because of these rebels we are able to understand the difference between the good and the bad. This poem is written by DJ Enright. These are the possible question answers for this poem. I am going to discuss these question answers with you. I will send you the answers for these for these questions. If you have any problem, any query, any doubt, you can ask me. Okay? Thank you, children.